Hi Academic Literacy 2 students, welcome to today's lesson, Wednesday 21st of July. Okay, so today is going to be a very quick lesson but a continuation from semester 1. So semester 1 we did various aspects regarding research methodology. Now some of you may be thinking that this subject is called academic literacy, why are we doing research? Part of building up your academic literacy is doing research. That is what the subject is building you towards, doing research. So the best way to start interacting with academic vocabulary, grammar, research is to actually start the research process, but in a small way in which we are doing it. So this semester or this term will be a continuation from semester 1. So today's lesson is looking at the 3 different ways in which to conduct research. And very simply put, the 3 ways are qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods. Now, as you can see here, each person is saying that their method is the best. And the one in the middle, which is mixed methods, is saying that the research that you are doing is driven by the question. Now, if you can remember from semester 1's formative assignment, you had to develop one main research question, which is guided by 3 sub-questions. Now, that is what the research is guided by. The question, what are you aiming to achieve? But more so, how are you writing it? Are you using academic language? Okay, so if we look at each one, qualitative data, just think of quality. This relies on data that is obtained from first hand, right? So remember, one of our lessons we spoke about 2 types of data, primary and secondary. So primary is first hand data, secondary is books, journals, articles, a literature review. So qualitative research gathers their information from first hand, either through observation, interviews, questionnaires with people, or a group of people known as a focus group, recordings in a natural setting. So you want to see how people behave, what they think regarding a certain topic, right? And the data that you collect is non-numerical, so there's no numbers involved. So you're not looking at statistics, okay? Then quantitative research. This emphasizes statistics, mathematics, or numerical analysis of data. So here you're looking at polls, yes, no, closed questions, and surveys that you collect among a large number of people. And then you analyze all that and present it either in numbers or percentages or in graphs. And that's how you present the information to explain the particular topic or phenomenon, right? So that's the main difference. Then the mixed method. The biggest characteristic of mixed methods research is that it combines qualitative and quantitative approaches and includes both in one study. It can also be defined as a study that includes one part quantitative and one part qualitative. So one part of your research will look at statistics and numbers and a large sample of people, and the same study will then go further into that information and ask questions to further understand somebody's thoughts of a particular topic. Now again, once more, the way you present your work must be presented in an academic literacy manner. So using the proper language, connectors, grammar, paragraphs, that is the important aspect of the subject. Here is a cool video that you can watch. It's about, I think, 3 minutes regarding qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods, the differences between the two, when do you use which one. So take a look at this YouTube video to help your understanding of these 3 different methods. And like I said, it's a very short lesson. We're at the end of our lesson, but you have a task that you have to do. I will send an article and this is the article I will be sending you. This is research methods, qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods. So in this article, the author very nicely, within 11 pages, wrote a very short article on what is quantitative methods, what is qualitative methods, and what is mixed methods research. And then he does a discussion and a conclusion. So this is his little article. What you have to do is read this article, and you have to summarize the 3 different approaches. Each approach, you will only have a limit of 100 words. So 100 words to summarize quantitative, 100 words to summarize qualitative, and 100 words to summarize mixed methods. Right, so you've guessed it. Your full task is 300 words. You should divide your task into 3 paragraphs, each with a subheading. So when you open up your document and you are going to type your work, your first one will be a subheading qualitative method, and here you will tell me what qualitative method is, and here you have a limit of 100 words. Then quantitative, same thing, you will tell me what quantitative is, 100 words. And then finally mixed methods, and you will tell me what mixed methods is, and you have a limit of 100 words. Right, and in total you should have an article consisting of 3 subheadings. So 1, 2, 3. You can put your formatting on there to distinguish them as subheadings, and then you will have your 3 paragraphs, 100 words each, telling me or summarizing, not in your own words. You have to summarize this article, and you will not copy and paste. If I do see any copy and paste, so if you do this, you highlight, you copy, and you simply just paste, I will not mark this. It will be an immediate 0. So I will check for copying and pasting. That's called plagiarism. That is illegal. So summarize it, use your own words, and use academic vocabulary and grammar. You can use the information from the YouTube video as well, which is over here, to add to your notes. You must use academic vocabulary, grammar. It is important for the subject. There's no deadline for this task. This is a build-up task, the same like semester 1. You are building up these tasks which will lead towards your next formative assignment at the end of the term. This work you will have to type up, save, and keep until I send you the prescribed document for your next summative assessment. Alright, so don't leave your work for the last minute. By the time I do the next lesson, you should have completed your 300-word summary or essay regarding research methods. And that's the end for today's lesson. If you are watching this video, you already have the link. If not, I will post the link here for the YouTube video version of this lesson. Right? I look forward to receiving any of your queries, tasks, and feedback. Remember, solution before problem or excuses.